So for this experiment is based on the force table, analyzing vectors, vectors which are representing forces, and the forces are going to be shown or emulated in this experiment using this force table. And a couple components of the force table. This black wheel here is a pulley, acts as a pulley. You'll see a golden yellowish color string hanging around it. And at the bottom of it, you'll see a brass colored hanger mass. Don't forget to include the mass of the string and the hanger mass when you do your calculation. You'll also see, it looks like a little silver button right there, but it's a balance, a bubble balance. It basically ensures that your table or your force table is level. It'll have a little bubble in there, and once that bubble sits in the middle of the of that object, that silver object there, just to the right of the wheel, it lets you know that your table is level. The other components of this force table, you'll see the marker increments. It goes from 0 to 360, letting you know the direction of the force that is pulling. And there'll be some legs here, just to the left of that, that mass hanger, which will allow you to adjust the height of the legs. These are the masses that you'll hang. You'll see etched in them the specific mass. These you can't see, but they go anywhere from roughly 1 gram up to about 100 or 200 grams. And again, here are the brass mass hangers. And your goal for the experimental portion of this is to get the ring to balance out. In other words, you want this ring to not touch this center silver pole. Once equilibrium occurs, or all forces kind of counteract one another, then you're in a good spot to analyze the various forces pulling in the various directions. So again, you can see at the edge of this wheel here the direction of the pulley, of the forces that are pulling on the pulley. So here's a zoomed out version of the force table. You can see I just have the mass hangers just hanging, no masses added as of yet. And there's that silver bubble leveler. And that is the majority of the experiment. That is the experimental portion of it. Now, given time, you should also go through with your group the video. I showed a video that entails these 6 documents that I'm going to show again. Talks about the graphical method and an example of the graphical method, and also walks you through the analytical method and a similar example given the analytical method. So make sure that you can compare all three answers. The answers that you're going to be looking for are resultant vectors, and the direction of those resultant vectors, they should be roughly the same. So just make sure that you get answers that are in the range of one another. Okay, make sure you come with your mask as well. Take care.